Can we make canned fish fancy? I think we can.
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a salmon sandwich, just like my papa used to make me.
Papa!
Let's get to it. First up, you're going to want some salmon. Smells like fish. You don't need the juice. Thoughts on salmon? Salmon goes in. Yeah. If you've got a wobbly cutting board, put down a cloth. It helps. Bit of onion. I'm not crying, you're crying. Chop up your onion. Onion goes in. Next up, chop up some dill. Dill-iteful. Dill goes in to the bowl. Ugh.
Juicy.
Pickle. Ooh. Ooh. I'm not going to use the middle of the pickle because it's not as crunchy, but at the worst you can just do this. Pickle. And you just give them a little dice. Goes in the bowl. If you don't like capers, that's because you've never had a good adventure. I like capers, so I put a lot. But it's up to you. Also gonna put in not a lot of mayonnaise left. That's not good. Tablespoon of mayonnaise. Oh no. Oh, that's too bad. Boop, boop, boop. We do our best here. A little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano just to say hello.
Hello.
A little bit of cribble muffins. Little pinch of salt. Now we mix it. Sir mix-a-lot. Just a little drizzle of olive oil for a little bit of wetness. A little wetness. A mini splash of red wine vinegar. Whoop, that's it. That's it. That's how we do it.
Toast your buns.
Butter your bread. Butter your bread. A little bit of gochugaru also, just to add a little kick. I forgot. Pretties. That's a big pretty. Load it up. Now put as much as you want. We're doing fun. We're doing fun. That's words. Words I have. A little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano on top because it's delightful. Boop, 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 boop. Make it rain. Make it rain. A little bit of dill also because dill's awesome, guys. This next part is optional, but I like to drizzle a little bit of chili oil on top because it's delightful. Pretty. Salmon sandwich. Enjoy. It's okay to make a mess sometimes. Let's try it out. Okay. Oh yeah, that brings back memories. Oh wow, that's delightful. Woo! Bye friends.